ZOSI Smart C186 Add Instruction. Equipment Preparation.
Please prepare the following items.
Please install the camera antenna before use.
Scan the QR code for the latest version.
Registration. Open the ZOSI Smart App. Click Register.
Search and select your country or region.
Follow the step as required.
Login. Select the country.
Then log in.
Load memory card in power off state.
Connect the power and wait for the device to beep.
Device is waiting to connect.
First way, Smart Connection. First, click plus to scan the QR code on the body. Turn on Bluetooth. Tap Next. Select the Wi-Fi. Enter the password. Name the device and click Confirm. Second way, connect network via cable. Press reset button for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear
Reset succeed. Device restarting. Please wait.
click plus and scan the QR code. Select Wired Edition. Tap Next. Name the camera and click Confirm. The third way, AP connection. Press reset button for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear
Reset succeed. Device restarting. Please wait.
click plus. Click No QR code. Pull down and select camera C186. Select wireless network. Click Next. Click Connect. Select the Wi-Fi. Enter the password. Click Continue. Name the device and click Confirm. Install the camera. Find a suitable installation location. Attach the installation sticker. Drill holes as shown in the picture, and nail in the rubber plugs. Fix the camera to the mounting sticker with screws and adjust it to the right angle. How to use by Alexa.
Open Alexa app. Click More, Skills and Games, search and choose ZOSI Smart.
Click Enable to use.
Enter your ZOSI Smart account and password, then click Login. Waiting the page prompts that ZOSI Smart has been successfully linked, then tap Next to search your device. Wait for the device to sync, and then you can control your smart device using Alexa or via voice.
Tap the icon to select your device. Hi, Alexa. Show me the camera ZOSI.
Did you mean ZOSI?
Yes.
Okay.